2006 Canyon, I think it is. I don't really do too many videos anymore, but I am removing the alarm on this one. So, remove that guy. This thing has an intermittent start that nobody can figure out, including me. It's just a adhesive situation's a little different because this guy lives pretty far away and he has no way to drop the car off to me, and every time the vehicle has an issue where it doesn't start, he resets it so he can drive it. So every time I've had it, I've never had any issues at all. But really what he needs to do is he needs to drop this thing off to me at my house and let me have the truck until this thing actually acts up. He did have it somewhere else and they said the alarm should come out, and I told him that a couple of years ago because I do not like aftermarket stuff, especially alarms. I don't even know if this has a remote start. It might not. I don't even know what brand this is. I think he said it was AudioVox or something. It's got, I think this here is like a kill switch or something. What is this? It's got like two kill switches or whatever that is. I don't know. So I'm gonna take all that out. We got a little ground wire action going there. Whatever this thing is. This was kind of just laying up on top of the dash there. Got that wire off. I just cut the ground for the unit there. That can stay. It's not gonna hurt anything. And got all this here. I'm gonna have to take apart and look at that. Honestly, it doesn't feel. It feels like they just twisted wires. Oh, I'm not even sure. Looks like they just twisted wires. This wire is severed, so that one I'm gonna have to connect. And yeah, I believe this is the remote start stuff here. Not shitting on installers because some of them do really good jobs. I used to actually be an installer, but when you have a vehicle that has an issue that you can't figure out, aftermarket stuff is just something that you want to try to eliminate. This could probably not have anything at all to do with it, but it didn't work anyway. Let's see if I can get one of these. Tugging on it, see if it would break, but it might just be yeah. Oh crap. In a way, that's a good thing. Maybe as long as the wiring's not damaged, I can. Yeah, that's not a good way to do it. Who knows? This could be the problem. As long as there's no damage to the actual wire, I can put some I see that one came right off. There's no damage on that one. Other shops didn't want to touch this. This guy lives pretty far from me, and I generally don't like doing work inside this parking garage. This is my primary place of employment, and we're really not supposed to do this. So I'm just going to disconnect the rest of these, inspect them. It does have these things here, one here, and one up here. I'm going to disconnect and see if there's any damage to the wires. Alright, I got these all fixed. There was nothing wrong with them. I coated them, wrapped them with tape. I got this one crimped here, and I got two things of heat shrink I'm going to use, one there and then one to cover it. And then I'm going to wrap them all nice and neat with this tape, which I need to get more. I'm almost down. First one is melted. Wait till that cools down before I slide the longer one on. Just a quick shrinking. And that's it. These are my favorite. I freaking hate these. This one wasn't really that tight, but I kind of understand why, because he's constantly, he has to unhook it and reset the computer. So let's see what happens. And probably start now, but doesn't mean it's going to start. Uh-oh. Yeah, it started a little bit. Well, that makes sense, huh? Take an alarm out, now it doesn't start. Now, step 2. Good thing I brought my scan tool, huh? Crisis averted. All I did to repair it was I left the key in there for a while. And I did check with the scan tool. I did have a history code of a B2690. Security system sensor data incorrect but valid. So everything else looks to be okay. I'm going to do another scan check here. If I can get all the way back and do like a whole system here. All good. So now I can actually secure everything, make it nice and purty, and get this thing back together. Go home and enjoy my weekend.